In this video, you'll learn how to add a video to your eBay listing. By following these steps, you will enhance your product presentation, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the My eBay section located at the top right corner of the home page. This area serves as your personal dashboard, displaying your account details and activity. Next, locate and click on the Selling tab within the My eBay menu. This will direct you to your active listings. Here, you can view all the items you currently have for sale on the platform. After that, find the listing to which you want to add a video. Click on the title of the item or the edit button next to it. This action opens the editing interface for that specific listing, where you can modify various details. Once the listing editor is open, scroll down to the item description section. Here you will see options to enhance your description. Look for the add video option or a camera icon that indicates video upload functionality. Click on the add video option. This will prompt you to upload a video file from your device. Ensure that the video meets eBay's requirements in terms of format and size. Larger files may take longer to upload based on your internet speed, so be mindful of your connection while proceeding. After selecting your video file, wait for the upload process to complete. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once finished, the video will appear as a thumbnail within your item description. Confirm that it displays correctly before moving on. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the listing editor and click on the Save button to apply your changes. This action updates your listing with the newly added video. Review your listing afterward to ensure everything appears as intended, including the video functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.